Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. I am Miss D, and for everyone who already knows me, thank you so much for being here. I am so happy to have you here on my channel. If you're not already one of my beauties, then I would love to have you. Go ahead and tap that red button and make it gray. That will absolutely make my day. And give me a great big thumbs up if you enjoy the content. And then of course, if you really enjoy what you see here today, then go ahead and tap that bell button. That will notify you the next time I upload new content to my channel. And thank you for all the beautiful comments that you leave in the comment section. I read every single one of them and I appreciate everything that you do for me. So thank you. Oh, these days are different. Hashtag the new normal, right? With coronavirus, COVID-19, it has changed our lives. And you know what? I like to look at things as positive as possible. I'm getting out every single day and making sure that I'm breathing in fresh air. I'm down by the water. I'm very blessed that I live by the ocean and right here in Vancouver. I utilize that, I use that. It's a time for me to just reconnect with myself, reconnect with nature. I completely get away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and there's beautiful birds and people passing by that say hello and smile and good morning with their little doggies, and oftentimes the little doggies will even greet me, so that's lovely too. I try to meditate every single day, and I listen to a lot of meditation music. That really helps to put me in a very positive frame of mind and spirit, and I try to keep as well informed as possible while not allowing it to inundate me with that craziness, the fear, the chaos, the strife, and all of the negative stuff that is being thrown at us right now. But please be safe, use common sense, wash your hands, take care of yourself. If you need to social distance, then that's what you need to do, and I want you to be taken care of and loved and well. So let's just all be safe. All right, today I am gonna step away from the brush series. One of the things that I love to do is watch Jaclyn put on makeup, and I'm talking about Jaclyn Hill. There is just something about that lady that absolutely inspires me. She is beautiful. And when she finishes with her makeup, she is just a queen, like a glam queen. And she just kind of goes from this normal everyday girl to just wow, wow, wow. And that's what I've been drawn to with her. And the girl has skills, like she just knows. And I know I'm not anywhere close to her talent level or her ability to just draw you in and just use all these cute little words that she does. But I am me, and I am going to be the best me possible. Now, today I'm just going to do a tutorial on one of the ColourPop palettes. I love ColourPop. I am like enamored with them right now, and I just have gone nuts purchasing a bunch of their palettes, and the one that I'm going to be working with today is the Honey. So it's all yellow. It is a very cheery color. I love it. And I'm gonna try and do some really good editing on this so that you know exactly what I'm using. And I am going to now stop talking, and you can just watch me put on my makeup. If you like what you see, then that's great. If not, then thank you so much for visiting with me thus far, and I wish you well. almost completed look. On Tuesday, I'm going to be giving you a quick little tips and tricks of what you can do to, during these times where our salons are closed and social distancing is happening and whatnot, maybe our hair is not being done. So I am going to keep this look and finish it off in my next video. I love every single one of you. And remember, ladies, no matter whether you're wearing makeup or not, whether you're dressed to the nines or wearing your sweatpants, it doesn't matter. I am enough. I love every single one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.